Since I don't want to start it.
Go ahead, man. What my niece there? Adi B. Adi B. A uncle. A uncle. Adi. 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 She look everywhere except for look back. Adi. A uncle. A uncle. So we know say the squad give the best advice, Zine. So I listen to you. I go look for Lovell and Lucy today. And especially my niece. So I say see if we can spend some time and bond. It bother me say my niece not love me like, well, I not say she not love me. Feel like she not love me? I don't feel like I don't love she not love me. It's just that she not used to me yet. Niece Poo, you same time I watch back the vlog yeah, and you say they run from your uncle. You go feel cringe. And your favorite uncle too, you know. I don't know what I just say. You see me? I may bring you when you're born, girl. Jaja. Anytime you see that vlog, yeah, just know say I'm gonna send you out to go for your remote every minute. Anytime you come spend a holiday with me. Love them now, I go say nothing. Lucy was. You just tell me so that color you fit me bad. I can't believe something in a green, but it look like it fit me. Furthermore, my favorite color is blue. But why your favorite color? Why your favorite color? Make me ever see nobody in my comment section that talk about green. Anybody in my comment section comment say green are them favorite color. Me I make sure says comment and now no comment and start a war. We born green. Lord God, we forgot to say one country this world of politics. I'm not talking about politics. I'm just talking about the color green. I'm not a green. Exactly, I'm not a green person. YouTube 101. When you're a YouTuber and you sit down with the camera and talk to yourself, it look weird. Me just tell you, when people pass and be like, it look weird, yeah? You're weird. You need to get checked in a hospital. You get off of your brain, you talk to yourself. So me weird too? Me no weird, no. You were do YouTube weird. Me I talk to uno who you talk to. Or you talk to me? You talk to me, you have to speak and spoken to me. See some cranberry juice, yeah. Hey, this is the new cranberry. Like, I don't know if it's new or whatever, but that first me I tried it tastes good. It made me start drink my cranberry water now. So far. Yeah, so for my biscuit. If you really care biscuit, give me the woman name on it. See how my name Shirley?
You're that Devon biscuit.
Alright, I did feel hungry. What is this?
Alright, give me that. I'm going to camera off.
Take the camera turn off him back here.
No.
Moment, this not sound good. I call my sister in my ear, she I say, you sound like your ball. She said, no. That kind of sound like one sound with Angel make with me and her. Listen, at no time after all in these hours of the day should you and Lucy be Lucian. Yo, I'm broad daylight you know, the married people. What married people that sit down and like easy themselves and all of them stuff there. Are you so?
Listen, even if me and Lucy sit down and Lucian, we are married.
Is what that not say married people, them hours a day married people get up and do them little thing there.
Any hours, I 1 o'clock at night.
Stop telling me that! Alright people, so currently we are on the chase for a Tesla. But just want Tesla yo. And by the time I say a joke thing because we don't say, alright, Angel don't really know nothing about nothing. So Angel say, babes, want Tesla? Then I say, no, this is not a Tesla. One carry with a T-shaped thing. Check it out now, it's a Tesla. So it'll go up the Mandeville Hill right now. But if I fly well left, I can't press too hard because really and truly the gas light upon E. I don't tell you already on my Instagram, I don't spoil my car, but I need to start spoil it back because I hear say it's not a good thing to do. But anyway, I try to catch up to the Tesla and say, yo, is a Tesla that? But the man I drive hard no backside. I'm not able to guess, you see me, so you know the thing, I'm show me, I have to show it to them.
Why you not have no gas?
Well, alright. Why am I not have no gas, babe?
Jesus do stuff and I can't deal with this.
Why am I not? Tell me why am I not have no gas?
We passed the one gas station, the last gas station. I said, babe, see gas station here. Babe said, no man, wander around the corner. If anything, we turn back.
Well, you know me never did go turn
Now we
back.
are going Mandible Hill with the guest light on. So me, I said nothing. We just have to sit down.
Listen up. You remember one argument we had back in our past?
What was it?
And we did talk about sitting about love. The car can run for love. The car can run for love.
But want to see that?
So the love we have for each other, I'm going to make sure the car go up there.
We do.
Yo, but if you tell someone that you know just dead piece, why is a vaccine man in front of me, yo? Yo!
You see? We tell us that Tesla you never want to believe.
No, baby, because you, baby, you don't really know nothing, yo.
Oh, and a liar, see, they detour.
Alright, so, yo, people, we gotta get ready for showing out the backside. Where him gone?
In the front of back seat.
Cha-cha.
You want me to hold it?
Yes, babe, but don't miss the shot, babe.
Alright. Zoom. Oh no!
Bombas,
it was
babe,
good.
See Tesla, the people.
Wow.
Babe, you know
Me
say.
catch you.
You know say.
Me catch you, babe.
Me I tell you the truth, babe. You can't work with me. Babe, you had
But you
one
watch
job.
it clip.
Well, I know you had one job and I almost miss it, babe. If Tesla, as you could see, are going next side, babe say, oh my god, like you're gonna make it pass, bro. She want the camera.
Wow. Guys, want to see a clip on a scale of 1 to 10. How me do? Me catch you.
You catch it, babe. You catch it. I'm showing you the gas meter right now. See that?
This color looks so good on you, babe.
Thank you.
You look sexy.
But as me say, the car can run on gloves. Let's go.
Jason. Press out the little.
So baby, I tell me see you to push me if you car button right now.
No.
Because
me tell you, we said babe stop. Plus me want to experiment to see how much gas Jason car start hold now. So I did want to go and just tell him say full up the tank and let me see how much. Because when Jason just get in car, so
6 grand could have full it.
6 grand could have full it, and then after that, I'm well, like I know will make good. So when Jason just get the car, 6 grand could have full it.
Yeah.
And then after that, I think he go 8 grand.
Yeah.
Now him start with 8 grand in it and
And not full.
it not full.
Yeah.
So I want to just go and tell him to full it and see how much that would come up to.
Well, you soon know, because I turn back my AC, because I'm a girl.
Your liberty taking bad.
No, man, let me see. If I tell you, say, love can put the car over the hill.
Okay, make we see, guys. So love can do it. I'm going to come back to you and show you. Because Jason and go and take up the camera. So me, I go come back and come show you.
Alright.
Guys, tell him so that color you're fitting in the comment section if you agree with me.
Really?
Yes.
Let's go. Alright.
It looks so good. It looks.
So many people start. Wait, hold on. Agree in this.
You another green shirt?
Agree in this?
Yes. But another green way you not love.
No, but I still green. Press the car, I'm not feeling the power. Press the car, I'm not feeling the power. Hold on. Don't tell me, say I didn't. The gas done there.
Jesus, stop. Babe, stop.
Babe, listen.
Me tell you, know, Jesus. Me tell you, know. Let me tell you.
A joke.
Just move from here, so. So what you're pursuing now, do?
Babe, they don't have to be a style, babe. Don't rest it. Let's go!
No, Donnie. I'm sorry for you. Alright. I know I said nothing.
I want to go with that girl that she care for me, you see? Let's go! Jamaica have scientists, we're so advanced, we can clone people.
To be honest, I don't know.
Jamaica we start create with own like pharmaceuticals. I'm not talking about the little low thing them like. I don't even know if we say it, because I don't know what we create. We start create pharmaceuticals yet?
I think so, yeah.
Alright. So, well, I don't know. Comment below.
I mean, you can do research as well.
Yeah, we need to, because me never take a medicine and me never read built in or made in Jamaica. Or, I don't know. So, I don't really don't know. So let's see.
Where's the Vigatan made?
Where Vigatan make?
I should think out here.
No, if Vigatan make out here, hallelujah.
But I don't know. Don't hold me to that. I don't know. I gotta research it though.
Inner feelings. She tell me she. Yo, it's that song there. You need to subscribe to my music channel. Like that song there. Oh my god. Yo.
Jason have him song come out, right?
Yeah.
And it's such a vibe. It's really a vibe.
Yeah.
She in her feelings. But babe,
Yeah.
at the beginning of the song, right?
Yeah.
You say true story.
Mama say other things to me, say Razablade. Mama say,
Alright, baby, you say other things, but me I ask about what you said now. You say it's true story. We hear that. Cool.
no, them not hear that yet, you know, because song not out yet.
Alright.
But
Is
yeah.
it true story?
Hold on, see, like you can't start run out, I guess, again, you know. Yeah, you can't start run out, I guess, again. Hey, what you say?
May I repeat myself, you hear me? To be continued.
Alright, so he had to purchase 5,000 at the 90. So I'm gonna see how much 5,000 at the 90 give me, Zine. And this is a Rubis gas station, by the way.
And this Rubis gas station reasonable to me than all and Fesco. They're
Oh.
reasonable.
Bro, I don't done it done. Oh.
No. Give me a drip. Come, let's make it trickle out.
And that's what 5,090 get you.
And that's all of it? A 5,000? Eh? Stress out.
People know say run Sharon from me right now. Come Addy. Shaja. Where are you, big bro? Father Lush. Lovell. Why pray? Come to you, you look sad, so. Come to you. Oh yeah, Tizik. As Addy see me, she start crying. So we have this unbox right now. Why you use a knife like that? I'm a professional. So I'm gonna buy some little stress string. So you do this.
Oh, perfect though. Can be a fool.
I didn't say you were.
This is so cute.
Yep. This is
Handmade?
yeah, it's handmade. Like it'll come like a lava lamp. That?
Oh, it can change color?
I'm not sure. Look like a one
Like
color.
water in there.
No, but look like one color. It's nice too. I know you love your little light stuff them.
And it just look like jello inside or something.
And you know, Ian just fascinated in them little stuff here for the house. So.
Yes. So
Da da da
you
da.
can turn it on and then I have it like, you know, bright.
Right, yes, you see one little light bulb.
I really
This
love
is
it.
this is boasty. It's boasty.
I love it.
You can get that and more at, I don't know if I pronounce it right, resin_J Caribbean. You can get a lot of stuff there. You know me, I say kitchen, bathroom, wall decor, floating shelves, custom name, night lamp and much more. So check them out. Them are the plug on IG. You know me, I say anywhere in Jamaica them can deliver to you. As I said, them the stylistic stylistic stuff. Them do stylistic stuff. So check them out. Them Instagram up on the screen right now. Make them know so Razablade send you. Yo, if you link them right now as you say this for anything, or go through them IG and say anything you like, if you tell them say Razablade, you get $200 off of your order. And if you plead to them properly, you might get some more. You might never know, but me guarantee you $200 off of your offer. Check them out. I'm annoyed right now, people. I didn't want to start edit that vlog here from now, but guess what? There is a thing when I connect to my computer to take off the files and show the memory card. I take it up, put it in the bag when I left out this morning and now I can't find it. I have a new one. I don't just want to pull it and waste it. I have other ways to send off my files to the computer, but it's going to take time. You know which part it there? Which part? Nope. Oh. You know, say definitely in the computer bag. Why you there in the toilet though? Why you hiding at the toilet though? Can't find it on the show. I'm going to show you what I look for. Exactly. Basically, I look for this multifunctional adapter for Mac. You see, because you don't know, I have a MacBook Pro. So it can give me like 2 USB spaces, USB-C spaces, and USB-A and memory card and all of that stuff. I can't find it. I have a new one, I don't want to open it. I'm stressed. And I think this is like the easiest way to get my files to the computer. I can use the USB mode. I can send it off using the Canon Connect app. But I like that way. I don't want to pull this, but it seems like I have to go pull it. Or I have to go just wait a little bit because Angel always find my stuff for them. She always lost them too, but she always find them too. I check the car like 3 times. I check in the room. Back and forth, I not find it. None of we not gonna sleep tonight until we find it because we really need to find it. Because if I don't find it, I can't edit the vlogs because I have this little thing about me. It's like how Angel that says she have the what the backside is dirty. It's like how Angel that says she have this OCD thing where she have to clean up everywhere. I have this thing where anytime I go away with nothing, I love come back with where I go out with. I don't like lose things. If I have a pen when I have it in my bag and I come back in the yard and I see it, I vex. I have to find it or else I can't take mine off. Angel teeth it. Angel teeth it. Hey, why you teeth me something?
And I'm not there too.
Maybe but most your teeth it, babe. I can't find it.
I have one for myself.
Yeah, but you could have last year's and your teeth mine, that's the alibi.
You don't have nothing to do.
Babe, we just put 2 and 2 together, babe. You might have to steal it.
It's really look fire, you know.
Babe, so what you tell me say you're bigger than thief in? You never thief nothing in your life, babe. Babe, be honest, you never thief nothing in your life. Babe, I have a reason to believe say you thief or something, babe. I'm just have to bring it
So
forward.
go feed them now. If I'm here, take you go for. Stop shining that for me. You're coming to thief or something.
I say, babe, see, and you must find it. Them say enough to go in a woman's bag, but I have to do this.
Babe, come on, tell me something.
Alright, you know in there. Alright, let's get next bag. So, babe, where you hide it?
Babe, I'm not having something. I'm a bit near something for going now. So you can't do that, sit down. Come in and know where you go last.
No, we not sleep tonight, babe.
Who you talk to?
Me and the squad not sleep tonight.
Oh, you want them? Can I help you, Jason? I don't know what that's supposed to do. You always have it on your workstation.
It's not there.
Come all down my skin for me, because you're not going to find that tonight. I'm ready for go on my bed, babe.
Come get your bed, man.
Come all me down, man.
You know how long nobody, more I'm sitting.
Come all me down, babe.
Me say, got your bed.
Come all me down, I all my face and you come all me back on me.
I the back of your seat and I love face.
Yeah, come.
We're not going to see this unless I find it because I'm not sponge.
You know, say you're not got your ready on them.
Yeah, but I'm tired, babe, and I want to sleep because I'm a yard.
Oh, you're full of borbor, so which bush you go? See, you know, not come tell me saying I did it. See, borbor upon yo. Let me make sure I pick off it so you can't see it. What is called?
You know, must have sit down in the grass, babe. Today, babe.
Oh,
No, I'm too, no, man. Everything you want to play inspective. You're a detective.
Oh,
You're an inspector?
you have a problem?
Yes, me have a problem.
Lucky.
People, me come go to bed before me and this girl cussing her night. You see me I say?
Yeah, go cuss me because you can't find something where you miss.
Yo, stop talk up to me.
No, you misplaced something where you go cuss me. Look at this thing to be so careless with it.
Bro, you know, so me not like you turn where you routine.
But you want to start it? Since I don't want to start it.
Go your bed!
Why you so careless? Look how long I have man and I never misplace man if you ever
You
dare.
know, what you do? What you do? What you do for your living?
Nag you.
Exactly. Yo, people might come down bed here, man.
These are stuff we have to do every night.
It must be a jalopy.
You don't even know the meaning of jalopy. Jalopy means